Allow me to greet everybody, every Filipino, to greet you Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. At sana itong susunod na taon ay would be better than what we have previously in the last year sa buhay natin. Hinihingi natin yan sa Diyos. Sa sana marinig naman tayong yung pleadings natin for peace and security for our country, and the prayer, the pleadings that the business sector will improve and everybody, I said, gainfully employed in the year that would come ahead of us. With that, it's my fervent hope that you will have a good year sa ating buhay sa pagkapag-Pilipino natin. Again, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. Maraming salamat.